Alright, today I'm going to shoot my friend with this airsoft gun after he comes out of the bathroom. Oh, how bad does that hurt?
You freaking...
Oh. 500 FPS, biatch! Yeah, that was the gun. There you have it. Bye, YouTube.